Hello everybody and welcome back to Moga Dishes. Today we are going to be making cheesy chicken balls. I started off by grabbing 500 grams of cheese. This is the only cheese I'd recommend using for this recipe. You're then going to want to cut them up into cubes. Now you're going to need 2 pounds of ground chicken, a handful of cilantro, 1 tablespoon of chili, and 2 tablespoons of minced garlic, and 3 tablespoons of soy sauce. I then added 2 tablespoons of curry powder. Now I just grabbed 4 slices of bread and cut them up into smaller pieces. And then I just blend them until they become breadcrumbs. You're then just going to want to add it to the chicken and just mix until everything becomes thoroughly mixed. Now I just rolled my mixture up into balls. The sizes vary, it depends on how big or small you want them. And I put my cheese cubes in the center. Now I'm grabbing 4 eggs and adding a little bit of creamer. Now I'm just grabbing a plate and putting some oil on it. Now I'm grabbing my cheese balls, I'm adding it into the egg creamer mixture, and then I'm also going to coat it with any sort of breadcrumb mixture you'd like. Now I'm just frying it on some medium heat for around 6 to 8 minutes or until it becomes golden brown. And as you can see, it just looks super delicious and cheesy. It's high on protein, it's super delicious. You can have it with Thai sauce, ranch, really anything. I usually eat it by itself because it's just super yummy and also keeps you full. Thank you so much for watching.
Hi guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure you give it a thumbs up, like, and subscribe. Bye!